they were the most vulnerable.
I'm dealing with well over 100 people being evacuated from a nursing facility.
Today, 115 patients evacuated in wheelchairs and stretchers from a sweltering nursing home in Hollywood, Florida. Police now opening a criminal investigation after at least 8 others died.
It's a sad state of affairs, you know. We all have elderly people in facilities, and we know that we depend on those people in those facilities to care for our most vulnerable elderly population.
Today, frantic relatives tried to find answers.
So my wife, she said they couldn't find her mom.
It all comes during the aftermath of Hurricane Irma, which has been deadly. In Orlando, 3 people died from carbon monoxide poisoning from a generator, and 20 others were injured near Naples. Though the storm knocked out power to some 15 million people in Florida, the state's largest electric company says at least part of the rehabilitation center at Hollywood Hills did have power. And late today, the governor's office said the facility had told state officials it had power and access to fans.
We are concerned. We need to find out what happened to her.
Many are questioning why the residents weren't evacuated sooner. Even at 3 a.m., the heat index in the area was 87 degrees.
And why the facility should have transferred people yesterday.
The victims range in age from 71 to 99, the oldest Albertina Vega. Carmen Fernandez considers her second mother and wants to know why the nursing home allowed this to happen.
She was my mom. I love her like my mom.
Tonight, dozens of residents have been evacuated from another nursing home in North Miami Beach as a precaution. Here in Hollywood, the administration of this nursing home says it's cooperating with authorities and blames Hurricane Irma for knocking out a transformer that powered an AC system. But, Lester, the main question remains, why would it take so long to evacuate these residents when there was a hospital literally across the street?
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.